Integrity. Be yourself.
Rolling?
Start.
Sir, how do you like our campus?
Fantastic. Honestly, I've always wanted to come to one of the IITs, and last year you guys called me, and unfortunately I was shooting at that point, so I couldn't come. But I'm very glad that I'm here because the one thing that you cannot replace is the enthusiasm of you and the intensity, the passion that you guys have. It's amazing, and it kind of reminds me of my college.
So how do you like the competitive spirit and all? Like, how did you feel judging the events?
Well, whenever you judge an event, you have a responsibility. So we had a great time judging the Tambra and your street dance competition. And the one thing I'd like to say is that there's a very high level of talent here. I always used to think, and pardon my saying this, I always think that people who are intelligent only study. But looking at your dancing capabilities and looking at your fashion sensibilities, it was quite a revelation. And I'm very glad that I came here.
So you'd like to tell something to our students?
What can I say? I mean, you guys are rock stars. It actually makes me very happy that you've invited me. I would beg you to come here because you guys are a league apart. I mean, no, absolutely. To get into the IIT, it's you have to be a certain class of person. And for me, just this little time that I've spent here has been fantastic. And hopefully, in the years to come, I'll come.
Sir, would you like to share something about your career? Now you have come to very. Would you like to tell something interesting about your career?
One thing I'd like to say is that actors are actors. I mean, they're no different from anybody else. Only in our country, actors and cricketers are made into another species, which is not true. We all eat the same food, travel the same cars on the same bumpy roads of Bombay, and it's the same thing. What I'd like to say is that in my career personally, I've शिद्दत से काम करना चाहिए. Be passionate about whatever you do. And to quote Osho Rajni, she says that whatever work that you do, whether it's mopping a table or sewing a thing or gardening, just do it with a lot of love, passion, intensity, and you'll get there. And you guys are already there. You're in the IIT.
Oh, thank you, sir. Okay. So, would you like to come to our place for the next time?
Absolutely. Like I said, I'd love to be invited here again, and next time hopefully I'll have a little more time. This time I spent 48 hours. Next time I'll probably come for a longer period of time, and I hope to see the same faces again.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
All the very best. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Integrity. Be yourself.